This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Toie Crespi. Great 3-bedroom 2-bath 2-car garage pool home. Split open floor plan with formal living room, dining room and family room. Home needs updating but has good bones. Kitchen features breakfast bar. Wood-burning fireplace in family room. Large master suite west/double doors. Master bath has garden tub and walk-in shower. Nice size walk-in closet. Large screened lanai overlooking pool area. For more information, review the details below.